Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a fun and practical DIY project, making your own custom phone grip, similar to a pop socket. This is a great way to personalize your phone and save some money while getting crafty. Let's get started. First, gather your materials. You'll need a plastic bottle cap. Any size will do, but a wider one might offer a better grip. Next, you'll need a small suction cup. You can often find these at dollar stores or reuse one from an old phone mount. If you have an old pop socket base, that works. 2. You'll also need some strong adhesive. Super glue or epoxy resin works well. For decorating, grab your favorite design materials. This could include paint, markers, stickers, glitter, resin, or even a 3D printed logo. Now, let's prep the bottle cap. Make sure it's clean and dry. This ensures a good bond for your decorations and the suction cup. If you're using a 3D printed logo, make sure it fits nicely on the cap. If you're using paint or markers, consider creating a base coat. This will help your design pop, especially if the bottle cap is dark colored. Let the base coat dry completely before moving on. Time to get creative. If you're using paint, carefully apply your design. You can go for a simple pattern, your favorite character, or something completely unique. If you're using stickers, carefully apply them to the cap, smoothing out any air bubbles. For glitter, apply a layer of glue. Sprinkle on the glitter, and tap off any excess. If you're using resin, prepare the resin according to the instructions. Pour it over your design, and let it cure. Remember to work in a well-ventilated area. Once your design is dry or cured, it's time to attach the suction cup. Apply a generous amount of adhesive to the center of the bottle cap's underside. Quickly attach the suction cup, making sure it's centered and secure. Hold it in place for a few seconds to allow the adhesive to set. If you're using resin, you can also embed the suction cup in the resin for extra hold. Let the adhesive fully cure, according to the product instructions. This is crucial for a strong, lasting grip. Now, let's test it out. Attach your new DIY phone grip to the back of your phone. Press firmly to ensure the suction cup adheres properly. Give it a gentle tug to make sure it's secure. And there you have it, a custom phone grip that's ready to use. You can use it to prop up your phone for watching videos, or use it for a more secure grip when taking photos or texting. Feel free to experiment with different designs and materials to create grips that match your personal style. This DIY project is not only fun, but also a great way to recycle materials and reduce waste. You can customize your phone grip to match any outfit or mood, and it makes a fantastic, personalized gift. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY projects. Let me know in the comments what designs you come up with. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next video.